How to fix reCAPTCHA not loading in your browser. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, open up your browser, then tap on this three dot, scroll below, then select settings. Inside settings, tap on security and privacy, then inside here tap on third-party cookies. Now scroll below, tap on see all site data and permissions. And then in the search bar, you want to go ahead and simply search for the website where the reCAPTCHA issue is happening. Now after you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this plus icon beside it. After that, you want to head back, then tap on extensions and disable your browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers or privacy extension because they can sometimes block reCAPTCHA from loading properly. Once done, you can refresh the page and check if the issue is fixed or not. If the issue still continues, you can try opening the website in a different browser like Edge or Firefox. That's it. Those are the best way to fix reCAPTCHA not loading. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.